Hello, Assalamualaikum. It's very nice to meet you again. It's me, Indar Mom of Iran. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a face mask, embroidered mask. But before I start, please support my channel by give me your thumb up, subscribe, leave your comment below and share. Thank you. Okay, let's get started with the material. These are two plies of main exterior. I've already embroidered it, and for the rest of the material you can watch on the description. Okay, first take the main exterior and put the good side together, and we start sewing the front part, front side. I use 1 centimeter seam allowance. And continue with the lining and the material, the fabric for the filter. Okay, for the filter itself, now we have to make the edges neat by folding it twice and then stitches all around the edges for both sides. Okay, the filter pocket is ready now, and then we start joining the parts into one. The good side of the lining meets the wrong side of the filter pocket, and make sure that the seam allowance lays neatly. Now we add the main exterior good side together. The good side of main exterior meet the good side of the filter, and start pinning. Well, next thing to do is prepare the bias strip. It is for the elastic band, and it is the same length with the straight side or straight edges of the mask. And then put the bias strip between the main exterior and the lining. Okay, now we are ready to stitch all around the edges, but of course don't forget to make some side unsewn to turn the inside out. Okay, before turning the inside out, we have to make a little cut, especially at the corners and the curvy side of the mask. Okay, now turn the inside out through the opening. Okay, now make it neat, and then we can stitch all along the edges. Our embroidered mask is ready now, and as you see, it has a filter pocket on it. We just can put the filter into it. We have to put the elastic band in it, and this is how I put the elastic band. I use a loop turner to turn it in and out. Make a knot, and then we can hide it into the tunnel of the elastic band. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please support my channel by giving me your thumb up, leave your comment below, and share. And don't forget to push the notification button so you will get notification if I upload the new videos. Thank you, see you, stay safe, and have fun. Assalamualaikum. See you, bye.